huge benefit for our customers, one point of contact for all relevant information, be it components, be it the entire system, be it the entire integrated system overall. And with this one contact, he gets one dashboard, he gets all the information, and we can improve the availability, we can improve the cost, we can improve the entire maintenance of the system. And the outcome clearly for the customer is 100% availability.
After visiting Allach beginning of this year, we realized that Strukton and Siemens share the same vision. We need innovation to bring the rail availability to 100%. We've reached the first tangible result of this by detecting the insulated joints, by combining Siemens technology on video recognition and Strukton's experience in rail maintenance using the video data. And this has been the first step in bringing our ambitions to life.
Voit has experience since decades in the rail industry. Smart Schaku is our newest innovative service product. It's a condition monitoring system that will help operators improving their overall train availability. Through the combination of Siemens and Voit competencies and the integration of the Voit app with Smart Schaku into the Railigent, we will provide a holistic view to the operators to increase train availability.
Railigent is an open platform, so customers can choose from different suppliers like Konux, value-adding applications. For the partners and young startups like Konux, Railigent and Siemens offers a great new market access to multiple countries and a lot of trust.
We find that we in SKF are very fortunate to find the partnership now with Siemens, where we can plug our wireless condition monitoring system into their Railigent system. It offers a unique opportunity for the market to find the possibility to look at the health of their complete fleet through one single system.